waiting for express delivery. Just got the iPhone Pro new case and the 15. So I'm gonna show you they come in these boxes and I'm gonna show you what they look like. So I got them right here, very sturdy plastic. It comes with the magnet ring in case that you want to attach anything to the back, and it has like a felt cover to protect the phone, and again it's reinforced in the corners. 14 Pro and the 15, and it also comes with a little protector for the lenses, and you can attach it right here. It is very easy to put into your phone, and you just do it like that quickly, and very efficient. It comes with some screen protectors that you can put on, and it comes with clear ones and stickers. So they're very nice. Plastic is very strong, very sturdy. The protectors for the camera has a lip and the edge also to protect the camera if you have the other model. So I hope that you guys find it as nice, as safe as I do.